Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I am currently 9 months pregnant, and I have been filming as much as I can of prepping for this little one to arrive. If you didn't know, we are having a boy. As I'm filming this, I'm 35 weeks pregnant, and I have been having Braxton Hicks literally all day, every day. Somebody told me, a lot of people have told me, that that actually means that that's your uterus's way of preparing for labor, and so hopefully labor will be short. So from my mouth to God's ears, let's please let that be the case. As a lot of y'all know, if you've been following me for any length of time, I had a C-section with Kenny, but that was 7 years ago. A lot of things have changed. Like, to register for baby gifts and everything, it's wild how much has changed in the past 7 years. I'm trying for a VBAC, which is a very different birth experience than a planned or scheduled C-section. So I thought, I'm gonna pack my postpartum basket, which is the basket that sits in your bathroom for after you deliver, and I'm gonna share with y'all all the things that I am buying and stocking this basket with. I also filmed my diaper caddy, which is going to be the little cart that I keep in my room next to the baby's bassinet. So that's gonna be on my channel as well. And it's just stocked with everything that baby's gonna need, I'm gonna need for those late night feedings and all of the things, because the nursery is gonna be a good distance from our bedroom. So he's gonna be sleeping in our room for a bit. So let's get into it. Let's talk about this postpartum basket and what all is gonna go into it. First thing is the actual diaper caddy itself. This one is, well, postpartum basket, but this is considered the coiled rope diaper caddy with dividers. This is from Target. It's that Cloud Island brand, and I just thought it was really cute, and it has the dividers in it that can come out. So I thought this is perfect to put next to the toilet because it's got the sections in it. So this is like part one. You need this before you do anything else, right? You need a place to put all your stuff. With Kenny, a brand that I absolutely loved was Frida, and so I bought this kit right here. This is the Frida Mom Postpartum Recovery Essentials Kit, and honestly, it looks like it has every single thing I'm going to need, but certain things in here I knew there weren't gonna be enough of, so I stocked up with extra. So I thought I'm gonna open this on camera for y'all and show you. It's actually got the storage caddy that goes on your toilet top, but I don't have a toilet top. We have one of those the Toto, it's the one that moves by itself, so it's a flat back. So I don't have a toilet top to put that on. So I wanted a basket to put next to the toilet. So let's go ahead and open this and see everything that comes in it. So it comes with a little pamphlet, all of this, and it's really organized, as you guys can see. And you can pull it out, and it's got the caddy ready to go next to the toilet, which is really convenient. But it's cardboard, and I don't really want cardboard in my bathroom, like, you know what I mean? So that's why I went with the basket. So I'm gonna unpack these things and put them in here. Peri bottle. I swore by this when I had Ken, because it's something that they don't tell you is that even though you're having a C-section, you still need the peri bottle. That is really important. So that's gonna go right here. Thankfully, I have a bidet on my toilet, so I have the option for either one. Perennial relief foam. I'm gonna set that right next to the bottle. Perennial cooling pad liners. So that's gonna go in there. Short briefs, which I think is great. I have heard from a lot of y'all on Instagram that the ones that they give you in the hospital are just massive. So I'm hoping these are a little bit more, like, fit a little bit better. Yeah, these don't look massive, so I'm glad about that. Because they're one size, and so they stretch really large, and like they just like fall off of you. So these are smaller. And then I might take a couple of these to the hospital with me in case the ones at the hospital are too big for me. And the last thing in this kit, instant ice packs, which I think are awesome. I'm so excited about these. I'm sure they offer these at the hospital, but I want to have them too, just in case, because I'm like, a lot of moms say that they are just an absolute necessity. I'm actually not going to keep the undies in this. I'm really excited about, and this isn't going to go in this. This is going to go next to my tub, but these are the Sitz bath salts. I love taking baths. I take them every single night, my whole pregnancy. Honestly, the magnesium flakes are the only reason why I've been able to deal with the SPD that I have, which is that pubic, or is it PSD? The pubic symphysis that I have between my legs. It's so bad. Magnesium flake baths, they just help so much. So this is for sitz baths when you come home. And sitz bath, this is like 2 inches of water. That's gonna help if you have hemorrhoids, if you have pain, discomfort, itching, whatever. Lancino brand, I can never pronounce that, but this is my favorite brand when it comes to breastfeeding. They make all of my favorite breastfeeding must-haves. So this is gonna go in the bathroom, but not in this. Cool thing is that you can get all this stuff I saw at Target, or you can get it on Amazon. You can get it anywhere. These are the postpartum catch-all pads. Open these up and put a few of those in here as well. So I have extra. This is another backup of the instant ice pads. I mean, everybody says that this is like just an absolute necessity. So I'm gonna put this in my cabinet for backup. So these pads are pretty big, and I remember using these at the hospital, and they were really necessary after a C-section. So I can imagine they're even more necessary after a vaginal delivery. So I'm gonna put those in there. And then whatever is back stock, I'm gonna put in my cabinet to fill up later. But that is right there, my fully stocked postpartum basket that is gonna sit next to the toilet. And it's got everything that I need, that I think I need. If I missed anything, leave a comment and tell me. I know witch hazel is another thing, but I'm hoping that this foam will actually take the place of it, because it's postpartum and hemorrhoidal foam, which is supposed to be really soothing. And the ice, hopefully that combination of the two will really make things just kind of calm down. You know what I mean? But if I'm missing anything for this particular setup, leave a comment, let me know, because I am really curious what your experience was, and you know, like, because this is my first time. I've never had a vaginal delivery, and this is new territory. So leave a comment, let me know, and I'm going to link all of this stuff below in case you are also expecting your first little one or want to build a basket like this. I'm going to link every single thing so that you can replicate this if you want to as well. And this is a great gift for moms to be. If you have a mom to be who is just doesn't know what to do, this is a great idea to like stack it all together for her, and there you go. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and au revoir.